So you've got a website and you've got a business. And for some reason, when people search your website, they happen to find other things that maybe you don't want them to see. And what I mean by that basically is anything that you've created as a page that you do not want to show up when they do a search. So let's say, for instance, here, Shepparton Woods Barbershop. You can see this here. There's the name of the site there, but it says, who is Art Taylor? Well, this was an old page that I worked on a while back ago that I had no idea, even though that it was not displayed on the site, that it still shows up. So let me show you how to make sure that any pages that you create that you do not want shown are definitely on the back end. So here we are on the back end of the site, and this is the page, and so this is what it looks like. That's what we just showed you before. Let's go back. So if you click edit, and I just changed it, but I'll show you how to do it. You're going to go to the right, and it says visibility. See, it says private right now, but it was public before. Let's change it back. So that's what you're going to do, is change it from public to private. Okay? And what that means is it's only going to be visible to the site admin or anybody that's editing. Okay, so now that's important to note. So the next time that you decide that you do not want a page changed, and be sure to update it as well, make sure that you go ahead and you update it that way so that when someone does a search, that page does not show up, because Google will definitely go ahead and search everything based on the pages that you've created. Now, if I go back, it's been modified, and it says private right there. So that's how you know. So be sure to go ahead and follow up with that with any pages that you do not want to rank when somebody searches for your business. Hopefully that helps. See you in the next video.